Hello everyone, today's video about expanding a brackets. So let's see first example here, 3 in a bracket x plus 1. So here this 3 is a multiply by this bracket, okay. So here is an invisible multiplication sign. If the number and between bracket no sign means that is the multiplication, but it is a invisible. So these 3 outside 3 we have to multiply by each of the term inside the bracket. So here in a bracket 2 terms, so one by one these 3 multiply by the both term. So first we do the 3 times x. So 3 times x, okay. So even I could do like this x, okay, because x comes from the bracket, and again 3 times this 1, okay. So here 3 times x going to be a 3x and 3 times 1 is a 3. So answer going to be a 3x plus 1, 3. Why I write here plus sign? Because this 3 is a positive. So I put it at the plus sign, okay. So here remember that if there is the more than 2 terms in a bracket, then we will multiply this 3 that many term one by one. Each terms we multiply by outside number one by one. Let's move on for the second example. If I says the x in a bracket 2x plus 4, let's say 4, okay. So here this x multiply with this bracket, right? So x times first term, so x times 2x, which is a, here no number means 1 we can consider, so 1 times 2 is a 2, and x times x is a x square, as you know. Let's move for this x multiply with the second term of the bracket, so x times 4. So this x, front of x no number means we can consider 1, so 1 times 4 is a 4x, okay. So this is the answer. So we could write like this, 2x square plus 4x, okay. Let's move for the third example. If here let's say 4x times y take away 3. So this 4x we have to multiply one by one both term inside the bracket. So 4x times y, and second times 4x times 3, but it is a minus 3, so we take this minus sign with the 3, okay. If it is a plus, then of course if we are not writing front of them plus sign means that number is a positive, right? So let's do multiplication now. So 4x times y is a 4xy, and 4x times minus 3. So here 4x no sign front of it means plus sign, and as you know, let's we first multiply the sign to sign. So plus times minus equal to minus. If you don't know that rules, then I tell you here, positive. Let me change this color for the multiplication so that is easy for you to understand. So positive times positive, answer going to be a positive. If it is a negative times negative, minus times minus, answer still positive, okay. When you multiply two negative numbers, answer positive. When you multiply negative times positive, answer negative. If you multiply the positive plus times minus, answer is negative. So you can remember like that. If two number multiply, both number has a plus sign or minus sign. Two number has the same sign, doesn't matter it is a plus or minus, answer is a positive. But if you multiply two numbers and one number is a plus and another number is a negative, doesn't matter order, answer is a negative, okay, remember. So here 4 is a plus and 3 is a minus, so answer going to be a 12, and 4 times 3 is a 12, so minus 12, not a plus 12, and x as it is. So answer going to be a 4xy, this 4xy, here 12x, but what? Minus sign, because front of 12 is a minus sign. So this is the answer. I hope you like this video. If you like, please like and share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.